Sums from the problem set 4b related to practice set 4.3 are 1 and 2 of sum number 1, that is choose a correct alternative, then sum number 3, sum number 4, sum number 5 and sum number 7. Now problem set 4b, practice set 4.3 and 4.4 is connected to problem set 4b. Now write the correct alternative. First sum, if the face value of a share is rupees 100, so face value is equal to how much? Rupees 100, and market value is equal to rupees 75, then which of the following statement is correct? So if you see over here, market value is less than face value, so it will be what? A discount. How much amount of discount? 100 minus 75, that's equal to 25. So which is the correct option? The share is at discount of rupees 25. So the correct option is which one? B. B, the share is at discount of rupees 25. So this is the correct answer. Next one, what is the amount of dividend received per share of face value rupees 10 and dividend declared is 50%. So dividend will be equal to how much? Is equal to 50% of face value. So that's equal to 50 upon 100, and face value is how much they have given? Rupees 10 into 10. So this 0 and this 0 will go away, this 0 and this 0 will go away. Answer is what? 5. So which is the correct answer? B, that is rupees 5. So answer is what? B, rupees 5. Now third sum, Prashant brought how many shares? 50 shares. 50 shares. So face value is given how much? Rupees 100. Market value is given how much? Rupees 180. And dividend is equal to how much? 40%. We have to find out the rate of return. So number of shares is equal to how much? 50. Face value is equal to rupees 100. And market value is rupees 180. So sum invested is equal to how much? Number of shares into market value. So number of shares is how much? 50 into market value is how much? 180. So sum invested is equal to how much? Rupees 9,000. Rupees 9,000. Now face value is equal to how much? Rupees 100. Face value is rupees 100 and dividend is equal to how much? 40%. So dividend of one share is equal to how much? 40% of a face value. That's equal to 40 upon 100 into face value is how much? 100. 100 and 100 will go away. So dividend of one share is equal to how much? 40 rupees. So that's equal to rupees 40. Now dividend of 50 shares, dividend of 50 share, dividend of one share, एक share का value इतना है तो 50 share का कितना रहेगा? Is equal to 50 into 40. So that is equal to how much? Total dividend is equal to how much? 2,000. So that is equal to rupees 2,000. Now rate of return is equal to how much? Total dividend upon sum invested into 100. So total dividend is how much? 2,000. Sum invested is equal to how much? 9,000. into 100. Two zeros will get cancelled, 1 0 will get cancelled. So that is equal to how much? 22.22. So rate of return is equal to how much? 22.22%. Now sum number 4, find the amount received. So amount received we have to find out. Number of shares is equal to how much? 300. Face value is equal to how much? Rupees 100. And discount is equal to how much? Rupees 30. Now market value is not given. तो sum invested का formula क्या है? Number of shares into market value. So first we'll find out the market value. So market value is equal to what? Since it is discount, so market value will be less than the face value. So that is 100 minus 30. That is equal to how much? Rupees 70. So market value is equal to rupees 70. Therefore, sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. That's equal to 300 into 70. So that's equal to rupees 21,000. So the amount received is rupees 21,000. Now sum number 5, find the number of shares received. So number of shares we have to find out. Received when 60,000 was invested. So sum invested is how much? 60,000. Face value is rupees 100 and market value is rupees 120. So sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. So sum invested is how much? 60,000 is equal to number of shares we have to find out. Into market value is how much? 120. Now bring this 120 on this side. Therefore, 60,000 upon 120 is equal to number of shares. 0 and 0 will go. 12 ones are 12 5s are 60, 500. Therefore, number of shares is equal to how much? 500. Now sum number 7, they have given the face value of both the company. Face value of both the company is same. That is how much? Rupees 100 they have given. Company A gets dividend 12% and market value is how much? 132. Company B gets a dividend 16% and market value is how much? 144. We have to find out the investment in which company is more profitable. Now for company A, dividend is given how much? 12%. Market value is how much? Rupees 132. So dividend is equal to what? 12% of a face value. That is equal to how much? 12 upon 100 into face value is how much? 100. 100 and 100 will get cancelled. So answer is what? 12. So dividend is equal to rupees 12. So rate of return is what? Dividend upon sum invested into 100. So dividend we have got how much? 12 upon sum invested is how much? 132 into 100. So that's equal to 100 upon 11. When you divide it by 11, what you get? 9.09. So 9.09%. That is for the company A. Now for company B, dividend is how much? 16%. Market value is how much? 144. Dividend will be equal to how much? 16% of a face value. So that's equal to 16 upon 100, and face value for both the company was same. How much it was? Rupees 100. So into 100. 100 and 100 will get cancelled. That's equal to 16. So dividend is equal to how much? Rupees 16. Rate of return is equal to what? Dividend upon sum invested into 100. Dividend is how much? 16. Sum invested is how much? 144 into 100. Now it will go in two stable. 2 8s are 8 1s are 8 9s are. So that's equal to 100 upon 9. When you divide 100 by 9, you will get how much? 11.11%. So which company has got a rate of return more? Whether it is company A or company B. A is 9.09, company B is 11.11. So company B is having more rate of return. So investment in company B is more profitable.